Good afternoon, everybody. This is Todd Mitchell for Monday, November 30th, and I really hope everyone had a great Thanksgiving and a long holiday weekend. I know I sure did. A much-needed break. Now we're back to trading and the last few real good weeks of trading this year. So let's make it good. Okay, what you're looking at here is the 30-year T-bond futures, and you've seen me trade this a lot over the last couple months. And what I'm starting to do now is I'm starting to trade a minimum of 10 contracts because I had an experiment, okay? I wanted to see how long it would take me to double an account trading one contract. So since you need a minimum of $5,000 in your account with most discount brokerage futures trading firms, I was only trading one contract on a $5,000 account. And so what I did was I started this on October 14th and ended it the day after Thanksgiving. Actually, I traded from home. So from October 14th, let me just show you what the stats were, and I believe we're going to make these trades available so you can take a look at them. But if you recall, I came out with a bond program just a couple months ago as well. And so, again, from October 14th, let me put the dates and some stats, okay? But first, before we get into that, let's just see today's go into today's trading real quick. I had 10 contracts. I don't know why there's 2 here, but I did 10 contracts, shorted it right here. Again, looking for 5 ticks. Remember, 5 ticks on one contract is $156.25. Okay? Now you trade 10 contracts, you'd be making 10 times as much. Okay? So 10 times $156.25 is $1,562.50. The only trade that we had today, based on everything I teach in that program, was right up in here, 154.06. And again, today's the first trading day of the March, right? H, you see that? The March 2015 contract in the 30-year bonds. Okay, so again, 10 times $156.25 is $1,562.50, and roughly $3 per contract in terms of commissions. Okay, so that was a good trade. It was really perfect because the high of the day was 7, and we rode that down, again, looking just for 5 ticks. So that was a nice trade. So let me give you the stats on what I was able to do again, give you some just brief stats. So from October 14th, I can't right here, to 11/27, which was Friday of last week, day after Thanksgiving, right? Let me show you. There were 32 trading days that I traded. 32 trading days. Okay? And in those 32 trading days, I had 122 trades. It's pretty active. 122 trades. Okay? Which comes to roughly 4 trades a day on average. Okay, so it's pretty active. Okay, but again, to double, so what I did was, so from October 14th to November 27th, I had 32 trading days, right? 32 trading days that were traded. I didn't trade every single day, but there were 32 trading days, 122 trades. Trade a $5,000 account, okay, and turn that into $10,000 and like $20 or something like that. And that includes commission, okay? That's trading one contract. And near the end, when I had it up to like a little over 9,000, 9,500, I traded occasionally 2 contracts. But for the most part, trading one contract, $5,000 on per 5,000. So that's why I traded one contract, which came to just a little higher than normal. I was risking catastrophic risk on each trade was a bit high for the account size, was roughly between 4 to 5% risk of the account balance on any single trade. Now, the reason I chose $5,000 is because a lot of traders that I talk to start off with a $5,000 to $10,000 account, and I get asked the question all the time, well, I know you trade a lot of contracts, but gee, can you make money trading only one contract? So that's why I did it. I started with a $5,000 account, turned to a little over $10,000 in 32 trading days, using the methodology that I teach in Day Trading T-Bonds for Predictable Profits. So I think that's pretty interesting. So from now on, I'm gonna take a $50,000 account, okay, $50,000, and try to double that in the next 2 months. Okay, so today was my first trade with 10 contracts, up 1562. Again, using all the strategies, well, the strategy that I teach in the bond program that I came out with just a couple months ago. So I thought you'd be interested, and I should have the PDF file of every single trade that you can actually take a look at yourself, okay? Have a good day. Hope that's helpful. And again, I just wanted to do this to show you that you can trade and make consistent money if you don't have a whole lot of money trading a single contract, okay? Have a great day. Hope that helps. Bye for now.